Hello guys, I'm waiting for the train, and when the train gets here, I will show you inside. It's really real, I promise.
Where are you going?
We're going to Didi house, and Didi loved me, and I love her as well.
So,
And
where does she live?
she lives far away over there.
In Ilford.
Yeah, far away in the Niford.
And from where are you going?
For going in Didi house, far away, so much far away.
From Strood.
Yeah, from Strood.
You're
Yeah.
going to
Didi
Ilford.
house in front, and go over the.
Going by train, not by car.
Oh, because my mom said we're going by train because we go Didi house.
Okay.
Right. So you have to wait like this before you come.
So,
So
shall we show them the train?
yeah, of course.
So we are taking the train from 4:35 London St Pancras. It will stop at Stratford. Then we will go by train again to Ilford.
Yeah, guys. So we are going to Ilford. So we take what we are taking, Mama. What we are taking?
We are taking the train St Pancras.
Okay, so alright guys, we spent 40 tickets.
Pounds.
40 pounds for the train. Oh, so my dad, what is that again?
He does Uber, isn't it?
He doesn't.
Yeah. He does Uber.
He doesn't work.
Where?
Guys, we spent 40 pounds. Cut.
It's okay.
We spent 40 pounds for the
Train ticket.
train ticket, and we're not going by Daddy's car
No.
because we're going by train.
Yeah.
Because my dad is in shock.
Daddy in shock
Yeah,
because we are not going by his car.
yeah.
Oh dear.
Alright,
That's,
guys,
Lewisham.
that's our
train
train.
is
This
Yay.
train usually
We're going
has
by
standing
this
room
train. Oh,
only.
wait, I'm sure.
Platform
That's
2
our train.
for 16,
Come this way.
35,
Come back.
Southeastern
This is
service
our
to
train.
Yay.
What do you think? You like it?
This is the what?
This is the best train.
Really?
Yeah. Right, guys, we're in the train right now. Look at there. It's really dark. We're in the tunnel right now. Alright, guys, we have the train, and we're going to Didi house. Look, it's really dark. It's so much dark, but you can relax over here. So you can do that. Guys, we're reaching another station. Really long time. We will get there in a long time. I promise.
That's Fleet.
I'm Fleet. Bye. Peace. Okay, guys, we are reaching one more station. Okay?
Stratford.
Huh?
Stratford International.
We will be
Stratford.
calling at
And
Stratford
hit the like
International
button and
St
subscribe.
Pancras International.
Do you subscribe? Good. Alright. Hello. 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Two, one. Alright, guys, we're in the store right now. We buy some chips
And
and we buy some drinks.
is it?
Yeah.
Which drink you want?
Let me see, guys.
Do you want some juice?
Of course, I want juice.
Check juice. Open this one. Not from there.
Alright, guys,
Which one you want?
this one. We buy some juice.
Okay. And what do you want to show? With chips. Oh.
Oh my god.
Which one?
You know what? I don't want chips.
So what you want?
I think I was.
Faster. I knew that.
Three chips. Maybe this.
Okay.
Okay, I'll use that one. This is important. Can I tell you something? We are starting for infant. We're changing another train. We're going stairs.
No, we're doing by lift.
Are we going by lift?
This one. Oh, this one.
Mama.
Sorry.
So guys. My mom doesn't know.
No, your mom doesn't know.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
No, we're going up the stairs.
What did I keep?
3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we start in mall.
Stratford Mall.
Stuff from
Let them see. Let
Look at
some.
There's lots of people
Yeah.
in the mall.
You go and make your video. Go.
Look,
I need to go home.
going by the stairs.
I think we need to go down. Go down.
Oh, well, yeah, we're going by down. Going to down, which is the stairs.
All right. We are going downstairs
Yeah,
to catch another train, isn't it?
yeah. One more train.
One more train.
Then we in Didi house.
Then we are in Didi house.
Then
Your
we
daddy will pick you by car.
Yeah. Hello.
That's the McDonald's.
More than.
So, that's shine.
So we're going this way.
The sign is showing we going correct way.
Yeah.
Take it. Take it. Give me your ticket. Okay, so we are going this way.
Can we go this way?
That's our train, Elizabeth Line.
Yep.
Elizabeth Line. To go up.
Hi guys, we're in Ilford and my dad is picking me in the car. And we're going to Didi house.
This is the train.
Yeah, this is the train.
Bye bye. Bye train. Okay, let me show. Show me. Show me how you walk on this train. We reached to
Yeah.
Ilford
Yeah, we are
out
in
of
outside right now.
because we have to walk by
Yeah.
stairs.
Yeah, my dad is waiting in the car park.
Your dad is waiting in the car park.
Of course.
Okay, so let's go.
Guys, I see my dad's car over
Where?
there. There.
Where? Oh yes.
Yeah, there. I'll show you my dad's car. Look, this is my dad's car.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Okay, we're in my dad's car. This is my dad. His name is Ben. And this is my Juju. my Didi always call his Didi is his husband.
Oh, her husband. She is Didi's husband.
His Didi's husband. And Didi always call him Juju.
Okay. So say.
Yeah.
Say we reached.
Okay, yeah, okay. We're here with Didi house.
Where is Didi?
That over there.
Where is Didi? Didi cooking something.
Take off your shoes first.
Yeah.
this is my Didi. I am a YouTuber.
दीदी के मुंह पे इमोजी लगा देंगे कितना
I am a YouTuber. So everyone subscribe my channel.
Okay.
And you have to subscribe my channel. Alright guys. Alright guys. I'm eating my food. Not this food. Other one. I'm watching TV. So I'll miss you. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Tomorrow. Bye. Peace. Hello guys. I'm waiting for the train. And when the train gets here, I will show you inside. It's really real, I promise.
Where are you going?
We're going to Didi house, and Didi loved me, and I love her as well. And
Where does she live?
she lives far away over there.
In Ilford.
Yeah, far away in the Niford.
And from where you going?
For going in Didi house, far away, so much far away.
From Strood.
Yeah, from Strood,
You
Yeah.
going to
Didi
Ilford.
house, Ilford, and go over the.
Going by train, not by car.
Oh, because my mom said we're going by train because we go Didi house.
Okay.
Right. So you have to wait like this before you come.
So,
So
shall we show them the train?
yeah, of course.
So we are taking the train from 4:35 London St. Pancras. It will stop at
घर से तैयार होके